Know these 10 facts now before you think of cheating on your partner. Make sure to watch till the end. Trust is like a paper. Once it's scrambled, it can't be perfect again. Infidelity severely damages the trust between partners, making it difficult to rebuild the foundation of the relationship. The deepest wounds aren't physical but emotional. The betrayer partner often experiences intense emotional distress, including feelings of betrayal, anger, sadness, and confusion. The way you see yourself is more important than how others see you. The partner who was cheated on may suffer from self-doubt and a diminished sense of self-worth, questioning their value in the relationship. Communication is the fuel that keeps the fire of the relationship burning. Infidelity often leads to strained or broken communication, making it difficult to openly discuss feelings or resolve conflict. Anger is one letter short of danger. The discovery of infidelity can cause frequent arguments, blame, and resentment between spouses, creating a toxic environment. Intimacy is the glue that binds two souls together. Emotional and physical intimacy is often affected, as the betrayed partner may feel disconnected or unwilling to engage in close bonding. Children are the mirrors of a family unity. Infidelity can affect the entire family, including children, leading to instability, confusion, and behavioral issues in children. The mind is a battlefield of emotions. Both partners may experience anxiety, depression, or even trauma as a result of infidelity, leading to a need for therapy or counseling. Money and emotion don't mix well in the court of law. In case where infidelity leads to divorce, the legal process and financial division can cause significant strain on both partners. Your reputation precedes you, even in personal matters. Couples dealing with infidelity may face judgment or isolation from friends and families, affecting their social support system.